essential skill today for anyone to be able to search the web quickly. There's lots of different ways to do it, whether you're using an app, a web browser, or a smart assistant. I'm going to have a very quick overview of how to do it from a web browser. Some of the options might look or return slightly different search results. That's fine, but the key parts, the information that I'll share with you in this video should be the same across any method that you use. For the sake of this video, I am using Windows Edge browser on a Windows laptop, and it's going to default me to Microsoft Bing's search engine. I'm not too fussed about which web browser I use. They all do much the same, but some people will have a preference for one. From my Edge home screen, I have a search bar right in the middle, and you can see here as well I've got a microphone, so I can even use my voice to speak to the microphone to tell my computer using my voice what I want to search for, or I can type. I also have up at the top here the search or web address bar, so you would traditionally have typed in a web address like digilearn.scot to get to this website, but you can also put search terms in there, and Edge will use Bing to search the web and return results. So that's what I'm going to do, and what I want to focus on next is the first key bit of advice here is to focus on phrases instead of sentences. So rather than asking the search engine what animals live in Scotland with a question mark, I should just be able to type in Scottish animals, and it will return me search results in a matter of seconds typically. There's a few different options along here, such as I can see just images of animals. It can return just search images. It's then up to you, or if you're teaching this to your learners, to evaluate and analyse the validity and the credibility of these results. So once you've evaluated the reliability, you can go ahead and click that, and it will take you to that website and show you the information that you're perhaps looking for. One of the things that we can start to do, though, is we can make this more useful to us with some short commands. If I type in a plus sign and a specific animal that I would like to see in the search results, I can actually ask for Scottish animals, and the plus sign means only dolphin. So only and whatever word follows. So I'm asking to show me search results for dolphins in relation to Scottish animals. So it should only be giving me information, again up to you to analyse and evaluate that, but it should only be showing me web results that relate to dolphins and Scotland. So if I search for Scottish animals again, you can see some of the animals that are popular here are red squirrels, red deer. They're at the top of that list. Now, if I type in a minus sign and squirrel, and I'm not going to differentiate between red or greys. If I type that in, you'll see it returns slightly different search results. Lots of cows, there's puffins, wildcats, and I'm not seeing anything about squirrels, where the squirrel was right up at the top of the list originally. What I've told it to do is exclude any search results that come across squirrels. I can also use the command cite colon, so that's cite colon, and then a web address that you would like it to search within. And if I type in cite bbc.co.uk and Scottish animals, the search results, once I get past these bits at the top, you can see are all coming from the BBC website. So if I have a trusted, reliable and credible website that I know, like the BBC, I can ask it, I can ask the search engine to only show me search results from that website. And if it and the last example I want to show you here is if I tell it to be really specific here, so the site I want to use is scottishwildlifetrust.org.uk, and I only want results about deer, then you can see here all my web search results are coming back about deer, and they're coming from the Scottish Wildlife Trust.